Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm tasks and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is -3, B is -1, C is 1 and D is 3. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But you can say like this one is the bracket which is -3, but we do not have this bracket. Basically, this number has the minus sign. That's why it's right in the it's wrote in the bracket. But we can skip this one. So now move forward for exponent part or order of expression. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step as well. Now, step number 3, we have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. What we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 15 plus 36 divided by 2. We have to solve this one, which is become 18 multiplied by 2 multiplied by -3. Now move forward, we have to give the reference 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Now move forward, again we have to go left to right to solve all division and multiplication. So now this time we have 18 multiplied by 2. This one we have to solve this one. So now we have to go, so it's again 36 and divided by 6, we will write here as it is. Multiply by -3. And here we have to give the reference 18 multiplied by 2 equals to 36. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 36 divided by 6. We have to divide this one. So here we have 15 plus 36 divided by 6 multiplied by -3 right here, and here we have to give the reference 36 divided by 6 equals to 6. Now again we have to go left to right to solve the last multiplication in this expression. Now we have 15 plus 6 multiplied by -3, we get the answer is -18. And here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by -3 equals to -18. Now move forward, we have solved all multiplication and division. Now move forward for addition and subtraction. So what we have to do, we have to go again left to right, and here we have 15 equals to 15 plus minus -18. Here we have to solve first the plus 1 multiplied by -18, and it becomes -18. So now we have two terms which are subtracting each other, 15 minus 18. So we get the answer is minus 3. So the answer of the given expression is minus 3. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.